Hello everyone, this is the channel of New York City News. August 25, 2020. COVID outbreak tied to Dunkirk business. A Dunkirk food manufacturer has been tied to an outbreak of COVID-19 cases within Chautauqua County. County Executive P.J. Wendell confirmed during a press conference Monday that of the 31 current active cases of the coronavirus, 21 are connected to Fieldbrook Foods Incorporated. The cases involve either employees of the local producer of private label ice cream and frozen desserts, or those who have been in close contact to its workers. The county executive said local officials have been working with Fieldbrook Foods management and with its parent company, the Iowa-based Wells Enterprises, to review safety protocols and to prevent further spread of the virus. They have been very cooperative in their efforts, including collaborating with Chautauqua County and New York State Departments of Health to conduct COVID-19 testing for all employees at their Dunkirk facility, Wendell said. My county team and I have also been in contact with local elected officials, school officials and emergency responders to brief everyone of the situation and ensure that we are unified in our efforts to mitigate further spread and provide information to the community. During his press conference, Wendell read a letter from a Wells Enterprises spokesman, who noted the company's willingness to work with local and state officials. We feel this is a great opportunity to partner with the county and the state and potentially ease the minds of any employee who may have concerns about COVID-19, the spokesman said. We have been monitoring the COVID-19 situation closely with our team members. Health and safety is our #1 priority for our employees. Approximately 4% of the employees at our Dunkirk, New York, manufacturing facility have tested positive since the COVID-19 crisis began. Those who have tested positive for the coronavirus have been put in mandatory quarantine. The county said, in collaboration with the State Department of Health, County Department of Emergency Services, the Chautauqua Center, All-Star EMS and the Fredonia Fire Department, it will host a COVID-19 testing clinic for Fieldbrook Foods employees. The partnership will reportedly allow for expedited testing and analysis for people who work at the site. Dunkirk Mayor Willie Rosas said the city will do whatever is needed to help the local plant. I just want our citizens in the city to know that the city has a good working relationship with Fieldbrook, and the county has been very much involved as they get through the process looking at testing all employees, Rosas told The Observer. Christine Schuyler, County Public Health Director, said the first positive COVID-19 case related to Fieldbrook Foods was confirmed August 16. The initial case investigations found several confirmed cases associated with this employer, indicating the potential for a larger outbreak to occur, Schuyler said. As such, we have been proactively working with New York State Department of Health and Administration of Fieldbrook Foods to manage and control the spread of disease. The increased number of positive tests reported this weekend substantiated our concern about a potentially larger outbreak. Meanwhile, Jamestown Mayor Eddie Sundquist said a high number of those working at the plant live in the Jamestown area. This is a serious matter and we urge anyone who is contacted for tracing to fully cooperate with the county health department so that we can isolate these cases and prevent the spread to more people, Sundquist said in a statement. In all, 15 new COVID cases were reported Monday. The new cases involve a young man and woman, a man and woman in their 20s, 2 men in their 30s, 3 women in their 30s, a man in his 40s, 2 women in their 40s, a man in his 50s, a woman in her 50s and a man in his 70s. There remains 130 county residents under quarantine or isolation in addition to 414 people under domestic traveler quarantine for having arrived to Chautauqua County from a state listed on the New York State Travel Advisory. To date there have been 261 recoveries, 9 deaths, 301 confirmed cases and 30,542 negative test results. Governor Andrew Cuomo first mentioned the spike in regional COVID cases during a press conference earlier Monday. He said the clusters included a Chautauqua County food processing plant, an Erie County steel facility and 2 undisclosed nursing homes. The governor did not mention Fieldbrook Foods by name, but the mention did confirm reports over the weekend that a North County business had seen several recent positive COVID-19 cases. In western New York we have a caution flag, Cuomo said. We're focusing on it and trying to understand exactly what is happening. The number of positive cases has somewhat escalated, not a cause for serious concern, but it is a caution flag and we're looking at it. The governor said the percentage of positive tests in the western New York region has been above 1% for 6 days. In addition, he said the 5-day average of new daily cases in the region is 63, up from 34 a week ago. There have been several clusters in western New York, Cuomo said, later adding, "We do more testing in New York than any other state, so we can identify when you start to see an increase of clusters, as we call it. That's very important, so you can then attack that cluster and you can stop the spread at that cluster." Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share videos. See you in the next video.